Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the channel again. Just a short video. I don't know what this box is. A little bit anxious what this box is, what's in the box basically. I've only ordered a couple of small items, and then I get a massive box that delivered by, I believe it was DPD. So let's get in there and see what's going on. It feels certainly heavy versus what I initially ordered, basically. So way heavy, basically. So let's see what's going on here. Right, that's just a. Right, okay. So, right, we came across a video about us and can see that you are smashing it with your channel, right? To keep the good work, right? As a customer of ours, would like to support you a little further. So we find an X amount hour repair. We had toolkit and a new mat along with your order, right here. We'd also took the chance to use our laser machine to engrave it for you. Wow, right, okay. I have upgraded your account to the website trader. Right, okay, excellent. Wow, that's just amazing. That absolutely amazing. See, oh man, that is just absolutely crazy. That hand on heart, you guys are doing everything. You know, a fantastic service. Okay, but I really appreciate you doing this for me. Really appreciate. Oh yeah, you can feel the quality of the tool. Basically, that is quality. That. Oh, it's all magnetic. So they won't be falling off or anything like that. That's just awesome. That this will get put to use. There's absolutely no doubt about it. 100% that'll get put to use. That's how, that's what I originally ordered, basically. So yeah, that's just the order packaging. Details about the website. If you can read this, and they sell all sorts. Right, that's that. Yeah, it felt heavy because these right. Okay, wow, pretty smart that. Absolutely smart. Quite like this. What they've done, honest to God. That's smashing that. That'll be, I will be, as I said before, I will be utilizing it. Look, I can't thank you guys ever, you know, any more for doing what you've done for me, basically. But hence, this wasn't necessary. But thank you very much for sending these little, gifts and things like that. Of course, I will be, recommending your channel. Sorry, the website and your fantastic service, because it's since the day one I've started shopping with yourselves. It's been prompt deliveries, everything's right, the quality's bang up there. There's nothing that I can personally fault on, but and wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Repair outlet in the UK. Absolutely amazing guys you are. Keep up with the good work. Keep up with the fantastic service. And I will be continuing to buy stuff from yourselves. And all the best, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay well. Stay safe. And bye for now.